I'm sensing a disturbance in the force. Who is cooking with Kaya, and why is she getting all the ladies mad? The ladies is upset that the fellas is all with cooking with Kaya. Everybody want to see cooking with Kaya. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Somebody put me on.
Ain't no way cooking with Kaya got all these hoes on this app tripping, gang. All she doing is cooking. All she doing is making some food, gang, and looking good with doing it. And goddamn, all the shorties on this app losing it, gang. Talking about everybody going. I like, bro, is that serious? Is that serious? Because your man's is what we call easy. Don't be mad at Kaya because your man's going. Oh, bro, you need to learn how to cook then. Learn how to cook then, baby. That's what I'm saying. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. I love you, Kaya, boo.
I do. Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Let's stay for a while.
Welcome to another video. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Girls. And I just love how y'all keep exposing y'allself that the girls thing ain't real. I've been saying the girls thing wasn't real for a long time, and everybody thought that I was just being mean. But now everybody's finally getting to see that I wasn't being mean. I was being honest. It's not real. Y'all are mad, and I'm going to say jealous at the fact that there's a bunch of men making videos talking about how attractive this Cooking with Kaya girl is. And she is a nice looking girl with a nice natural body. And y'all are sitting up talking about, I don't get the hype. I don't get the hype. Let me sit you down and look you in your face when I tell you this. It's not for you to get the hype. It's not for you, right? If men are getting online and saying that they find her to be attractive, you questioning why they find her attractive is weird. These men keep telling y'all that they like natural women. They want a naturally attractive girl with a nice fit body. She fits all of that. She got a nice natural face. She got a nice natural body. Right? But y'all are so hung up and so brainwashed by these BBL outrageous proportion bodies that you just find it so hard to believe that men could just like a natural fit body. Like you can't fathom that because you're so brainwashed that you think that that out of proportion body is what everybody want because that's what you want. That's what you think look good, right? You think all that makeup with them bust down wigs is what everybody want because that's what you like, right? You like that Jada way to look. You like that Ari look. So you assume that that's what every man must fantasize about. No, it's not. It's not. And they keep telling y'all that. But again, because y'all are still so silly and stupid that you keep mixing in what men like to sleep with, what men lust after versus what men actually like. Because you still can't separate that in 2024, you still keep defaulting to this BBL bust down Instagram baddie look as being every man's dream. And it's not, it's your dream. You want to look like those girls. You want to be those girls, and you're projecting it onto men.
You see that, y'all? So yeah, so that's just doing some basic stuff. So she's just a cute chick who is cooking a meal, talking shit, cause that's her thing is to talk shit while she being sexy, doing that. So it's nothing wrong with that. So ladies, it's time for you to finally get your ass in the gym, stop playing, stop acting like you're too busy to go and work out. You're too busy to go and cook a meal. No, you're not. No, you're not. It's not that difficult. So guys, you have to start making women do more versus them just showing up and just giving you some whenever she feel like it. And still, y'all, cooking and cleaning is still basic stuff. Really, it is. So, all right, y'all. I hope you all love the video. And ladies, if you want to finally get your look right, so men will want to look at you and even think about being with you seriously, you can go and get my bands, guys. If you want to get the bands to tone up or even get it for your girl, you can click my bands on the screen and you can order them. And remember, God wants you healthy and fit. The devil wants you to procrastinate and keep saying you got so much going on, or it's the holidays, I'm just so busy. The devil wants you to keep making those bullshit excuses so you can stay overweight, stay being big, and stay hating on other women like Kaya. All right, y'all. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time.